production.
Yo, what's poppin'? So I want to well, first off, Happy New Year. It's 2023, so let's get after it. If you aren't following me on Instagram, I'll post the links to both my personal and my stock mentoring IG. Because I'm big on the fitness right now, and I could feel a difference in my mentality. Like, I've been making smarter investments, better trades. I'm eating better, feeling better, looking better. So everything is just accumulating, and I'm ready to take over this year. So if you want to join me on the journey, the Instagrams will be down low. But for this video is going to be the 3 altcoins I think will pop off sometime this year. I'm not saying it's going to happen now, but these are the 3 that I'm paying most attention to. So we'll get into it. First one's Uniswap. Again, I'm going to do further analysis fundamentally on these. I'm just bringing them up and pointing out some technicals that I really like. Other than that, in the coming weeks, expect videos that break down the fundamentals of each of these 3 stocks or 3 cryptocurrencies. So we have Uniswap. What I like right here is it's clear that this trend line is the downtrend that's holding us back, right? We've been in a downtrend since May 2021. So with the cycles of the market, right? Think about Bitcoin. It topped late 2021, like around November. The altcoins, they topped way earlier that year. So I'm thinking that the altcoins might get a kick before like the major coins do, right? So once we get major news, which there already has been, big news came out recently that all central banks across the world will be in 2025 will be adding Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to their balance sheet. So this is huge news, man. This is some of the biggest news that's come out, but with all the like negative drama that's come out and negative news and bearish FUD and all that, it's kind of been swept under the rug. But essentially, like, banks are going to be able to be a custodian of your like cryptocurrency in like 2025, which is like, that's fucking nuts, man. That's trillions of dollars worth of value that could be entering the space. So here's what I like about this. Uniswap's pretty much used to transfer different cryptocurrencies into others, right? And then you could also wrap them using Uniswap and shit like that, right? So it's a good protocol to use from what I understand. From a technical perspective, this trend line right here, once we break up over it, that'll signify to me that the trend has completely changed. In the meanwhile, though, that is our major support down here. We need this to hold. So say there's a bearish turnover in the markets in the next few months. We will need $1.90 to hold, because that's where that's a clean support since 2020. Like it can't be really, I can't explain how significant it is to hold that. So that's my thoughts on Unify. I really like the idea there. And another one, you might think this is nuts, but Crowcoin. Why do I like Crowcoin? The reason why I like Crowcoin is because Crypto.com is likely going to be one of the exchanges that sticks around. So once this next bull market comes, once all this new money comes in and the new wave of buyers comes in, they're going to want to go to an easy platform, and Crypto.com is one of the easiest ones. There's also Coinbase. If you're Canadian, there's Coinberry and BitBuy, etc. But Crypto.com is a popular one that's already able to be used in many different countries. So don't sleep on the fact that just because it's at a dirt low price, it's garbage. That's not necessarily true. If you're looking for a discount, this one's heavily discounted because of all this drama that's been going on. Again, right? 2021. That year, near the end, kind of topped everything for us. And lastly, you guys are going to hate me for this. You guys are going to hate me for this. But don't sleep on this. Dogecoin. Okay? It's a stupid name. But when it pumps, it will pump. Right? So if you're paying attention to it, this could be a nice name to just trade. It doesn't mean it's going to be above $1 eventually. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying as a trading vehicle, this one's excellent because you look at the technical patterns and you follow the momentum, you use the 8 EMA, and this could provide great opportunities here, especially in a bull market, right? So pay attention to a bunch of other coins. And as you start to see more volume coming in, use CoinGecko, right? So here's something I think is really cool. And I'm just starting to use it more often. But this is CoinGecko. Essentially what it does is it ranks all of the cryptocurrencies by market cap and in 24-hour volume, right? This is important because if you check this page often enough and you pay attention, you'll start to see which ones are growing the fastest, and it ranks them, right? There's hundreds. It's mad important to pay attention to these names. Uniswap, sorry, is ranked 18 right now. So something that could be bullish is if we start to see their market cap creep up higher and higher. Pay attention to that and also add in the technical analysis behind it. And I think that it does make it easier to find those gems, those hidden gems. So that's kind of like the secret sauce that I'm going to be using in the next few months to kind of find these low-key cryptocurrencies that people are sleeping on. Everybody hates Dogecoin besides the people who like are in the meme, right? Pay attention to it. I'm not saying it's the best coin out there. It's a friggin' shit coin, but it provides crazy opportunities, right? 150% pumps. I'm in for that for sure. But yeah, that's the video. Those are the 3 altcoins that I think are really worth paying attention to in 2021. I'm probably going to come out with a few more of these videos, by the way, because I'm going to be diving a little bit deeper. But that is the breakdown for today. Peace.